Good morning, day 7, last full day. Just finished off with the workout again, taking those stairs from 6 to 17. And last night, went to a couple shows. I had Broadway Beats and Carnival Celebration, or Carnival Mardi Gras Celebration, which is like a parade, like a New Orleans style parade. That was a lot of fun. Tonight we have a couple more shows, and then it's the unfortunate part where we have to pack. So we leave first thing tomorrow, provided everything is open from the hurricane. So stay tuned for that. I'll keep you posted for today's events. After I got cleaned up from the gym, we checked in for a C-Day brunch. C-Day brunch seems to be kind of our new go-to for breakfast instead of going up fighting the crowds in the Lido marketplace. Here's a quick shot of the menu for C-Day brunch. C-Day brunch today was actually the busiest that it's been all cruise, but it was still really quick service. We sat next to a really nice family and they insisted we try these beignets from Emerald's Bistro. And you cover them with chocolate sauce and they are actually really good. There's $5 for half a dozen or $9 for a dozen. For breakfast, the wife decided to try the breakfast burger, which looked really good. I went ahead and ordered the Eggs Benedict with salmon, and then we both decided to get the yogurt parfait once again. Following that up for dessert, I got the banana cream pie, and the wife went and ordered the 7-layer chocolate cake. I know it's hard to tell in this video, but it was actually pretty choppy this day. Hurricane Milton had just gone through Florida, and as we were headed back towards Florida, it got pretty wavy. It was still pretty nice though. We managed to capture this rainbow, but here's a good shot of kind of how choppy it was. This was our first cruise we'd ever experienced this, where they actually had these stations for puke bags if we weren't feeling too well by the elevators.
Phil, if you're gonna spew into this.
I wanted to give you a quick room tour at the end of our cruise and show you what it looks like. It's not too bad. We did have magnetic wall hooks that we ordered off Amazon. We do have a travel hamper for our dirty clothes. Just some small things to kind of help keep the room a little more tidy. But we couldn't do it without our amazing room steward. His name was Daniel, so if you end up on this cruise on deck 17, hopefully you end up with him as well. After the room tour video, we decided to go soak up some more sun. Back home at the time of this video, it's probably about 27 degrees out, so we needed to soak up all we could. After this, we went down and decided to knock out our packing before we went to Chibang for dinner. Chibang is a Chinese and Mexican restaurant you can go to. Your first visit there is free. It's included in your cruise fare. After that, I believe it's like $5 or $7 a person, so not too bad if you wanted to break it up from going to the main dining room each night or Lido Marketplace. We got pretty lucky for dinner. It really wasn't that busy on the last night here. For an appetizer, the wife got the super loaded nachos. I got the spring rolls. And then for our main course, I got the sweet and sour shrimp. And the wife wanted to try the pollo en mole. And for dessert, we both got the chocolate chibang. After dinner, we went to catch Johnny Ritchie one more time. He's the comedy/magic show guy.
The second rule of Magic Club is we don't talk about Magic Club. And the third rule of Magic Club is... we don't do the same trick twice, but you were close. So we can't pull it off as we did before. There's a boring way, Dominic. We untie the knot. Or there's a best way. We use your imagination. Don't seem too excited. Now, Dominic, I need you to show everybody a pair of imaginary scissors. And you have to go snip, snip. You have to make the noise. Snip, snip. Louder. Higher. Snip, snip, and one more time. And just like that, that cuts the wrong bit out. Come on, everybody, go!
Unfortunately, his next act here, he's got AC/DC playing in the background, so I had to get rid of the sound. It's kind of hard to tell in the video right now, but he's swallowing fish hooks, and stay tuned to see what happens next. Following the show, we decided to go to the casino one more time, and would you know it, I got enough points to get free drinks on the last night of the cruise. We did the digital debarkation process, where we carry our own luggage off. Usually it's a lot faster if you're kind of in a hurry to catch a flight the next morning. This is going to wrap up our 7-day cruise vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, don't forget to leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. We're just days away from doing the same exact cruise, but we're going to have our kids with, so stay tuned for that.